tell you this. I get so many questions on my brows and like how I do my brows and what I'm using. And honestly, y'all, I only use 2 products. Literally a pencil, and then I use concealer. And as you see, I just outline the shape of brow I want, and then I'm just really filling it in. But from there, I just take my concealer. This is Beautiful Bronze by LA Colors, and I'm just simply going to clean it up. I really can't tell you why, but I feel like every time I go to film my brows, they never come out like my original brows. It's like I'm doing fake brows or something. Like, this is not how my brows be looking. These are okay, but girl. Okay, so I'm just about to swipe off the concealer from my brows. I think this brow, of course, is like much better. This brow is a bit thinner. Looks like it's a bit higher too, but guess what? My brows have always been cousins that really don't like each other like that, but we cool a little bit. Honestly, y'all, I think I'm just about to do like a simple like smoky eye, and we about to keep it really simple because I am pressing for time. So I'm gonna come out my Morphe 350 palette and get some of these colors and like work with them on the lid. Oh, this is not the color I want for a smoky eye. What is this? So bear with me. I feel like since I already started, I'm just gonna have to finish it. First, let's just address, I guess, on my channel, I've never ever really gotten hate comments. Like, never ever. YouTube has always had like this block feature. So like words like fat, words like that have always been blocked on my channel. And I guess I've never really been a channel to, not saying any channel embraces them, but I never felt like I put out material that causes for hate comments. Alright, I'm about to take a brown, any brown, and put that on the lid, and I'm gonna try to like blend this in a little bit. This is like a dark brown, as y'all see, and I'm just gonna place it on the lid. So yeah, I was completely ready for like the backfires of Where's My Tea. If there were people who agreed with me, if there were people who didn't, like I was okay with that, because Where's My Tea was a place where you all could put your opinions on the situation. But I recently uploaded a video, and I think it was just people who was just like ain't had nothing to do. I guess one of their comments didn't pop up, and it was saying how the person was saying like, oh, I hate when YouTubers delete comments. They don't know how to take criticism. That's crazy that she deleted a comment. We all should feel like we can embrace ourselves. And I'm sitting here like, sis, what comment did I ever delete? So people were like, well, what comment did she delete, whatever? And the person was explaining like, well, this person basically told her about herself and was just saying that she shouldn't wear wigs, and I guess was saying that, you know, her girlfriend looks better than her, which is true, and she just didn't like that and deleted the comments. And I'm sitting here like, bitch, where's that comment? Hold up, what's she talking about? Needless to say, the comment was never posted because I had that blocker. And I had responded back to that person. I was like, hold on, I don't ever delete comments unless you are demeaning me, my work, or you demeaning my booze. Now, if you come for any of that, hell yeah, the comment got to go. And not saying there's negative comments that don't have to put me down, and that's there. But when I say demean, I mean like you coming for me. The whole tea, that person's comment, guys, never made it to my comment section because of my block. And that person's comment really was just like, it was so offensive. Like, you ugly, you fat, your girlfriend looks better. I mean, stupid shit. Seriously, like, it was just some big, wild, dumb shit. And I'm like, did you really think that comment was going to sit on my channel? Like, I'm going to sit here and I'm going to let you call me these things, and I'm going to let the comments stay there. Girl, if you don't get your ass. So I didn't know what that whole spill was about, but it was a bit weird. Were you really mad that I deleted a comment that talked shit about me? When I didn't even delete it, it just never made it to the comment section because I had that blocker up. It was nothing constructive. It was no type of criticism. It was just somebody who was just really like, come on, you know, sis. I honestly feel like I'm done with that smoky eye, so we're going to leave it at that. Let's go straight to the face. I think the next thing I want to talk about is where's my tea. So a lot of you guys are missing where's my tea, and I'm actually going to film a where's my tea episode. I'm going to go in with Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but this is in the color 370. I told you guys I really love this foundation, and this is my take on what I think I'm going to do for Where's My Tea. It's kind of going to be like a Where's My Tea reloaded. Not react, but I guess I want to see if my advice is still the same from then and now. I've matured in so many ways. And a lot of things that I used to stand firm on, I've actually become open-minded to. And sometimes I listen to my Where's My Tea playlist when I'm like cleaning my house and stuff like that. I'm going to go back in with this concealer that I use for highlight. And when I listen to those episodes, sometimes it catch me off guard, like, ooh, like, why you say it like that? Or I don't know if I necessarily agree with that, or maybe you shouldn't have suggested that. Like, sometimes I find myself like that, and it's like, how am I doing it to myself? But it just shows me that my thinking has definitely changed a bit. If you guys have suggestions on an episode that you want to see me like refilm, or see if my thoughts changed on whatever, then leave it down below. That'll be fun to see what you guys pick. But as of now, I really don't know which episode I am going to go with. I'm going to take Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder and also Midnight Powder and set under here. Rerunning an Where's My Tea, giving my thoughts, allows me opportunity for people to send in their stories, and then for me to start doing fresh stories on Where's My Tea. For contour, I'm just going to go back in this palette and like take two colors and mix them and just contour like such. I told you a lot of my Where's My Tea videos had got demonetized, and Where's My Tea was a huge moneymaker on my channel, as you could imagine. YouTube has become so restrictive on just the type of content you could put out that I became super discouraged. I was like, no sis. Black coffee, this is Black Radiance face powder that I'm about to use to set my face. Oh, I'm blown because I didn't set the concealer on my eyes, and I feel like my eyes are creasing. Somebody had mentioned too, like, maybe you should start doing videos on like celebrity news and celebrity topics and stuff like that. And to be honest, y'all, I'm gonna leave that to the shade room and to the other, you know, people who do that here on YouTube. I mean, I don't want to spend my time devoting it to celebrities, you know what I mean? Instead, I'd rather help people like you and I, people who really could use the advice and who's going to listen to the advice. You know, my opinion on a celebrity and what they doing and how they handle the situation is never going to get back to them, nor is it ever going to matter. So I'd rather just focus my time helping people in that sense, you know, people like myself, us, helping you. So because my eye look like it's creasing, I'm about to take some more of this color here and kind of like pack that back on there. I definitely did not even set it, and that is just like blowing my mind. So I'm putting Toasted Almond blush on right now. This is also Black Radiance. Moving from Where's My Tea, you guys truly enjoyed the how to style your belly thing. And it's crazy because I start these segments and I see that you guys enjoy it, but then I'm not consistent with the segments. Even still, I introduced cooking on my channel, and you had people who love the cooking aspect, and I haven't released another cooking video. But on my goal list for 2018, I did say I wanted to get back. I gotta stop talking to do this highlight. Hold on. One of my goals was to be consistent on YouTube and get back to filming, and I've been trying to do that, guys. Being a graduate student, oh my Jesus, doing that and just managing so many other things can become really hard. But let me put this eyeliner on right quick. Let me tell you, I used to have the hardest time putting lashes on, right? And I found this. It's called Lash Grip Eyelash Adhesive. I think I found this in Dollar General. Finally, I said, you know what? Put the glue on there. Put your little liner on there. Wait maybe like 30 seconds. While it's still wet, put it on your eyelash and let it just dry to your eyelash. Girl, if I ain't never told myself nothing, I told myself the truth right there. Because let me just tell you too, I'm using these right here, which are Ardell. The Ardell, what are these? Ardell Wispies. And what I do is stack them. Now, I don't know if this technique works with every eyelash glue, but I know it works with this one that I'm using, which I truly enjoy. I'm going to put on a little bit of, what is this called, y'all? Mascara. And I love this one. This by LAGirl. Their glide pencils are so pigmented, and these colors literally just glide on. But I don't want it like too much down here, so I'm just doing just a little bit. I'm just going to take that brown that I was using. Yeah, I'm doing it wrong clearly, because this right here is nothing of smoke. Like, what am I doing, girl? I mean, actually, it's lining something, but it's not giving me that smoky. Y'all know how some girls know how to really smoke out that bottom lash line, but I think I'm probably just doing it wrong. Now, I'm going to go in, what color is this? This is Embellish. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, I always like using concealers when it comes to like lightening lipsticks, but I seen this girl on YouTube who had like a brown liquid lipstick on, and then it looks like brown and tan. I'm like, how the heck she did that? And she named the Colourpop lipstick, and she just had a concealer on. I was like, shook!
It's so pretty.
Okay, here we go. I'm getting somewhere.
Oh, bitch, oh, bitch.
Oh, this is gorgeous. How y'all feeling this? Like, what y'all think? For those of you all who want to inquire, this is the LAGirl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan, though. That's what I use. So, Colourpop, Embellish, and then Cool Tan. Alright, we're going to take this hair down. But let's see. What you looking like? Oh, it's looking okay, but you can see that I need to wipe some of this off because, oh, you can see that. Jesus. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look of that Get Ready With Me. It is 3:55. It took us all of 40 minutes, which is good because it's time for me to go anyway. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be on the lookout for Where's My Tea, because we're definitely bringing it back. And leave down below which video you think I should do a reloaded to. So I'm also going to continue to do the how to style my belly videos inside the dressing room videos. So be on the lookout for that. If you have not followed my vlogging channel where I upload every single day, then click right here. You can also go follow my vlogging channel. It's time for me to go. I love you guys. I'm NeneTanae to all my new subbies. Hey, boos. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all. Mwah.